Alright, so we've got our mini badge design. Now it's time to send it off to the fabricator. So from here, we need to export some files that the badge manufacturer can use to actually make a board. So up here at the top, there's this plot button. Click that. And this is going to create the files for the manufacturer. Over here, you can kind of leave everything as it is. It's pretty much already selected. Give them the copper layer, the silkscreen layer, the mask layers, and the edge cuts layer. The things we want to change right here, this use Proto file name extensions, click that, and then click plot. And this just created a whole bunch of files alongside our project files here. And then we're going to click generate drill files. You can leave this at the default, should be good, and click generate drill file. Close that, close this one, and now we've got our files. So those are, let's go get those where they are in our folder. Okay, so here's my KiCad project folder, and in here there are now a ton of files, and it can be a little confusing, but try to stay with me here. So here's our PCB file, .pro is our project file, SCH is our schematic file. Okay, the easiest way to do this is to sort by the modified date, which means all the recently created files are right up here at the top. So what we're going to do is select the DRL file as well as all these other ones that were created just now when we did that plot. Okay, so we got all those selected. Right click, and we're going to create a zip file out of these. Just like that. And so inside this zip file is all the files that we need to make a board. So this zip file is what we are going to send to the manufacturer. So let's see what that looks like. Open up a browser, go to oshpark.com, and this is what it looks like. So we can drop our file right here. You can click browse, you can just grab this, drag it on there, and it's going to show you what your board's going to look like. One thing I really love about OshPark is the system they've got set up for showing you a preview of the board. It's really awesome, one of the best I've seen and used. In fact, sometimes I'll use it for projects that I end up producing other places just because it's so good and so pretty. So this is telling us about our board. It says how big it is, how much it'll cost to have it made. You can give it a name and a description here. This shows you the front of it, and this is the back of it. So if we click continue, then it'll show us every layer. So here's the top, what it's going to look like. And you'll note here, you can see our cutout there, but it doesn't show that it's cut out. And it says right here that internal cutouts are indicated by a black outline, but not filled in. So that is fine, looks good there. Here's what the bottom's going to look like. And so this helps us just kind of visually check that everything is correct with our files. So here's the holes that are going to be drilled in our circuit board. Here's what's on the bottom silk screen. Here's the board outline, including the cutout. That's important to make sure that it's there. Top solder mask, again, so this is going to be color, and this is showing where there's not going to be any of the color. Top silk screen. Bottom solder mask, same thing, color, and where there isn't going to be any. And these are where our resistor and LED are going to connect. So it's important that those show up there. This is the bottom layer showing the traces that we've got there. Top layer, we didn't put any traces there. So that all looks really good. We got all the layers we need. come down here, click order. Here we go. So quantity 3, Osh Park always makes everything in threes. So if you want more than that, it's going to go to 6, 9, etc. So costs $3.20. That's what it costs to have this made. Now, the code that you should have gotten with your badge is good for $3.20. Should exactly cover the cost of this. So some other options you've got here, which are up to you. A lot of these cost more if you want it quicker, but I mean, I don't know, you really need it that quick. The standard turnaround time on this is under 2 weeks, which is pretty good considering this is all produced in the US. No shipping from overseas, anything like that. But super swift can be handy if you're in a crunch. It'll basically get it to you in a week. This is for making lots more. This is for thicker copper, which we don't need because we're not doing any high power stuff. Making flexible circuit boards, that's really expensive. This one is an option that you can choose that doesn't cost more. It's called After Dark. And so in the circuit board, if you've ever looked, a lot of circuit boards are kind of this yellowish material inside. And this is actually a black circuit board with a clear mask on top of it. And so it's not the traditional green or whatever color. It'll look black, and then you'll see all the traces on it, and then you'll have your white silkscreen on top of it. It's a really interesting color combination. It doesn't cost any more here, but it does take a little bit longer to do. So that's up to your discretion if you want to choose that option. And then once you're done making your choices here, click checkout and enter your gift code, put in your name and address and all that good stuff. And in a couple weeks, you'll have your very own mini badge. Again, if you have any questions, please reach out on Discord. Let us know. Let me know if there's anything I need to update in these tutorials or anything I could do better or anything like that. Please let us know, and we're more than happy to help get your mini badge produced and make it a reality. Thanks.